The story of Casa Castela begins before it was finished. This house begins with a problem, a site that was far too steep. 43 feet of upward slope between the street and the level of the house. But that difficulty ended up becoming one of the most striking parts of the architecture, a red metal walkway suspended over the landscape. The site also already had an unfinished structure, with the ground floor and part of the first floor already built. So the architects from the Brazilian office BIRI in Minas Gerais did not start from scratch. They had to work with what was already there, correct problems, and transform a complicated condition into a viable house. At the lower levels, cuts in the terrain, retaining structures, and earthwork were needed to accommodate the garage and support areas. The main gesture is in the access. Since the street is far below the house, the solution combines an elevator and a metal walkway. The arrival stops being just a technical part and becomes an experience. You do not enter directly through the door. You cross the slope from above. The red metal walkway is the strongest element of Casa Castela. It creates a suspended approach, marks the route, and makes the sloping terrain part of the narrative. The color also connects with the earthy and iron-rich tones of the local landscape. The ground floor holds the shared spaces. Living room, dining room, ping pong area, atelier, and kitchen appear in a more open sequence, designed for family life. They avoided compartmentalization here and created continuity between the spaces. The materiality is direct. Reinforced concrete structure, ceramic brick masonry walls, aluminum frames, ceramic roof tiles, and metal elements, such as the walkway, the elevator, and the pergola, marking the most expressive points of the house. Inside, the house doesn't feel like an empty catalog interior. The spaces receive objects of affection, family memories, canvases, and paintings. This helps balance the technical side of the architecture with a more real sense of home. The intimate spaces are on the upper floor, with the couple's suite and the children's bedrooms, so the organization has a clear transition. First, the arrival route, then the social life, and finally, the more private spaces. At the back, a private patio helps protect the spaces from winds, outside views, and the moisture of the natural terrain. The strength of Casa Castela is in transforming difficulty into experience. The sloping site, the existing structure, the elevator, the walkway, and the cuts in the ground are not hidden. They explain the house. The most delicate point is that everything heavily depends on execution. Walkway, elevator, retaining structures, and structure need to work well so the house doesn't feel merely complicated. But when these elements align, the obstacle becomes identity. In the end, Casa Castela is a house about access, about how to arrive, how to overcome a slope, how to make use of an existing structure, and how to transform a difficult site into a possible, practical, and strong presence house.